Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this crispy rawa fry fish. It is a simple and a very easy recipe and you will absolutely love this recipe. It is crispy on the outside and moist on the inside. So without wasting any time, now let's begin with this recipe. So first in a bowl take 1.3 kg clean cut Seabass fish. Add some salt to taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. Add 2 tablespoon lemon juice. Then add 2 tablespoon fry fish masala. Then give this a nice mix. Make sure masala is coated all around the fish. Then marinate the fish for about 1 hour. Then in a separate plate take some semolina, or it is also called rawa. Then nicely coat the marinated fish. This makes the fish nice and crispy on the outside after you fry it in the oil. Make sure you coat the fish with rawa, something like this. So now I have done all the fish. It is time for frying now. So in a hot pan add oil and then simply fry the fish. Fry it until it is nice and crispy. Make sure you fry the fish on all the sides. There you go, the recipe is ready now. I hope you like this recipe guys, and if you like the recipe then please hit the like, and if you haven't subscribed please do subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. And if you try this recipe then please do comment and let me know how was it. Thanks for watching my recipe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.